cherry viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mawako about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can out share video. Remember rain subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Remember notification bell no. Say the video be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Question say be assorted meat stew. Me yes stew na me di. It tastes really nice. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, start. Ube blended with onion, garlic, ginger, anise, rosemary. We are not just seeing chain. What blended fresh tomatoes? We just seeing chain. What some blended pepper, bell pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, rosemary, anise. Now the spring onion akahu. Now and also we just seeing chain. Na ya buy nam no so. What the first mixture near den ebegu. What the all pepper season akahu. Chicken season akahu. Beef season akahu. Salt to taste. What the little water akahu. No one mixing that together. Akata so for 20 minutes and sana ida kosi jaso anwa. After 20 minutes na de si jaso. Na wanwa o ho anu we bieso. Na wanu se ni na besi maye. Ahanu aye ready. Na watwe, na wakwachi wo medium hot oil mu. Wo ho anu dane se ni na ba bin ye. Wo na abia na waye esi nchen. We madikan aye bi deda. We are the saucepan si jaso. Wo the oil egumu. Wo the mixed spices aka ho. Wo chimu kakra wia. Now the chop onions so abegumu. Na wachi enu so mu kakra. Ansa na ya to aso. Chi onion mu awie. Now the blended pepper mixture na we ye no. Wo the abegumu. No one mixing it together. No way just so amemu ache kakra. Ansa na ya to aso. Ba yese wo kata so. Wo ho anu abie so no wanumu. Enumu ache kakra we na wo de tomato paste abegum na eno so wache mu. Wache mu kakra we pe. Now the blended tomatoes na we esi on wo de agum. Chop tomatoes aka ho. One mixing it together. What the enso kakra de aka ho. One mixing it together. Uwi anu wakata so ama na squeeze my bebeng. Ba wo ho anu wa check said the enhye. What the mix stock now we here no. What the akogum. No one mixing it together. Akaka na aben na wo de wo spices here the agum. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Now the bell pepper, onion, spring onion, garnish no. What they will meet now, what you see in chain, what be feeling na yede, egum. Now what mixing that together. Aha no akakra na aye ready. Aye ready na watwe na waserve. Wonya emo abetimi de aka ho adi. Anadwane bi apese odidi no. Me ye na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. And you can also add it to your Christmas menu. Now this is our assorted meat stew. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.